Right, so current situation, been sent to London. 3 faults on the fire panel at this site. So yeah, I'm gonna talk you through how to diagnose these faults and get them solved. Right, here's the fire panel. Right, it's got 3 faults on it. It's got 2 fire faults and 1 general fault. So the first fire fault is in zone 3, which is in the basement. Looking at the zone chart, in the kitchen area. It's got some work done to it, they told me, so I'm gonna have a look at it now. Basically, there's work going on over the top. There's like loads of water leak, hence why there's loads of buckets here and stuff. There's just water leaking down, all tiles are wet and everything. So, temporary fix, or disconnected the detector, put the connector blocks on it, just to bypass that faulty detector, because obviously our faulty detector is showing that it's a fire when it's really not, considering it's water damage. So yeah, as always, remember to label them up, what's in and you're out. So yeah, let the customer know and tell them that this area obviously won't be detected for the time being until the works are done here. Bypass it by having a fault-free panel by just using connector blocks for now as a temporary fix until all the works are finished in here. Another thing, this thing here is very hot over here. When you pull your hand up, it is hot enough. It's triggered the other situation that happened here with a fire fault. The customer, I've let him know that this is going to have to be relocated soon, considering it's going to keep doing false alarms. Which floor is, when I get to lift, how do I get to lift? Yep. Yep. Turn right, yeah? Thank you. Lovely. Right, so now we're going to go look at disconnected fault. It says that, yeah, it says disconnected fault on 4th floor. I'm going to see what's going on. Apparently there's some lift work that's been getting done there. So, go have a look. Maybe someone's just doing lift work, accidentally like disconnected it or something like that. Yeah, because like when you come to site, you always got to ask, has there been any like works been done to the area where the fault is and stuff like that? Because most of the time, someone that has done works near it, and even the painters and decorators, they could take the detector off and like it just causes like a fall on the panel. Take the detector off and not fit it back on properly. And all right.
Did you find your way?
Yeah, can you show? I need to diagnose the fault.
Okay.
Show me where it is, otherwise I'll get lost. What's my name again?
James Bond.
That's it.
James Bond.
She knows.
Love.
James Bond's back.
I can't believe it. You're James Bond. You should put all the directions.
I do know my direction. I'm international.
Yeah. I got it just here.
Right. So come over here, right? Firstly, thought could be a problem in there maybe. Again, it says detector removed, so no, it's not that. I had a look at everything, thinking could there be a detector inside there that's been disconnected, the wire's been cut here, so I thought, you know what, that FP cable's been cut somewhere here as well, but nah, that's something else, found a clue in the junction box, don't know why, but anyways, it's not in there. Walked into this room and this detector here was loose, don't know why, weren't been tightened up properly, tightened all the connections up, all sorted, I'm happy, customer's happy. That's it. What else do you want? What else do you want? Please tell me. I'll sort it out for you. James Bond will be down there. Right, where is the old darling? Right, where is the darling? Hello?
Hello?
Right, it's sorted. Everything's done. Panel's fault free. All good.
What was the problem?
The detector was loose. So someone's obviously by accident, they've gone in there and yeah, I don't want to blame anyone, but someone's obviously not put it on properly correctly.
That's strange.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe they tried to remove it or...
No, it's not trying to remove it, so maybe, they've been drilling a lot.
Yeah, could be because of the drilling, yeah, it must have loosened it. Could be that, could be various loads of things, but anyway, problem sorted now, that's it. No more beeping noise, nothing annoying, that's it. Happy days, have a good weekend, thank you. Yeah, see you next time. Right, this job would have got done much more quicker if this lift went from the 20th century. Right, let's go find the concierge. Concierge? You alright? All done?
All done now?
Yeah.
And now might be worrying unduly. Tried it?
Yeah, I see you're worrying with them hand sanitisers. Yeah, all the coronavirus going about.
Monday when heavy rain is due.
Heavy rain is due, yeah.
And water comes into the kitchen.
Yeah.
And the alarm does go off.
Yeah, if it does go off. silence it, call us, call me, I'll sort it out for you. It shouldn't do, but the other detectors that are in there could get water damaged as well, and the same thing can happen. Because if we can isolate it temporarily over the phone, because what will happen is you don't want to isolate, you don't want to just turn off the fire alarm and then you have no detection because nothing will be detected. Just silence it for now so it don't irritate anyone, you, residents. Number, I'll give you a business card now. I've got a business card. James Bond's always got a business card. Yeah, hold on. There you go.
So that's even out of office, is it?
Yep.
Alright.
Certainly. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Panel, fault free. That is it. Job sorted. Job's a good one.